Dear students, hope you are all doing well. You know, here we are discussing the subject of English associated with class 7. The grammar portions and the other activities of lesson 9 Jesse Bose are already uploaded. You might have watched that. Now we are going to discuss the writing portions associated with this lesson 9. Activity 12. First, write a biography in about 80 words. You already know what is biography because I have discussed this one in the previous video. Of Prafulla Chandra Roy, who was another great Indian scientist. You can easily find that hints in your textbook. Okay, so you can check your textbook for the hints. This is the answer. One of the all-time great Indian scientists, Prafulla Chandra Roy, was born in Khulna, now in Bangladesh, in the year of 1861. He took his primary education from village Pathshala and then he went to Hare School and Albert School respectively. In 1879, he passed entrance examination and completed his FA from Metropolitan College in 1882. Prafulla Chandra won Gilchrist Scholarship in the same year. He went to London for study and took his BSc degree from Edinburgh University in 1884 and DSc degree from the same university. He joined Presidency College in 1889 as a professor. He achieved the glory of the first person to prepare mercurous nitride in laboratory in 1896. The famous Bengal chemical was established by Prafulla Chandra in the year 1901. He joined Science College also as a Palit professor. This noble and great Indian scientist breathed his last in 1944. Okay, so this is the answer for activity 12. Now come to activity 13. You have come to know that the local postman has delivered your letter to your neighbor's house by mistake. Write a letter to the post office with a request to return the letter to you. 2. The postmaster. AVL Township, AVL Post Office, AVL Township, Durgapur 6. Subject: request for returning the letter delivered to a neighbor's house by mistake back to my address. So, this is to inform you that an urgent letter of mine is mistakenly delivered to one of my neighbor, Mr. Rohit Roy's house number 06, at the same address of mine yesterday. It would be highly convenient to me if you please arrange for the returning of the letter or returning of the said letter, you may write, to my address. Your kind cooperation would be solicited. If it seems to be harder to you, you can replace this line with something: I hope you will take the necessary steps as soon as possible, or something like that. Okay. Yours faithfully, XY. Here is your full name, your full address, dated, your address, and 9th August 2020. Okay. So this is the letter. So today we have discussed activity 12 and activity 13, the writing portion associated with the lesson 9. Okay, no more today. Take care and stay healthy.